Are you tired of sweltering in rooms where traditional air conditioning just isn't an option? Do you need cooling solutions for spaces like garages, workshops, or outdoor patios where window units simply won't work? Have you been searching for portable cooling that doesn't require complex installation or permanent modifications to your home? If you've answered yes to any of these questions, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ventless portable air conditioners and evaporative coolers to help you find the perfect cooling solution for your specific needs. Number 7. Hessaire MC18M. Starting at the bottom of our list, the Hessaire MC18M represents the entry-level segment of portable evaporative cooling. This compact unit delivers 1,300 CFM of airflow and is designed to cool spaces up to 500 square feet. At just 16 pounds, it's certainly portable, featuring casters and a carrying handle that make it easy to move around your home or workspace. The MC18M operates on the basic principle of evaporative cooling, using a 4.8-gallon water reservoir and honeycomb cooling media to reduce air temperature through water evaporation. The unit offers 2 cooling speeds plus a fan-only option, giving users some flexibility in operation. One of its more convenient features is the ability to connect a garden hose for continuous water supply, eliminating the need for constant manual refilling. However, during my testing, several significant limitations became apparent. The cooling effectiveness is heavily dependent on ambient humidity levels, and in conditions above 40% relative humidity, the performance drops dramatically. While the manufacturer claims 500 square feet of coverage, I found that effective cooling was limited to much smaller areas, particularly when used indoors where humidity levels tend to be higher. The build quality, while adequate for the price point, feels somewhat flimsy compared to higher-end models. The rotomolded polypropylene exterior, while UV-resistant, lacks the robust feel of more expensive units. Additionally, the simple rotary controls, while easy to use, offer limited customization options compared to digital alternatives. Number 6. VAGKRI 2100 CFM Air Cooler. Moving up slightly in our rankings, the VAGKRI 2100 CFM represents a step up in capacity while maintaining the evaporative cooling approach. This unit boasts a larger 8-gallon water tank and claims to cool spaces up to 700 square feet with its 2100 CFM airflow rating. The 3-speed operation and 120-degree oscillation feature provide more comprehensive air distribution than smaller units. The VAGKRI includes some thoughtful design elements, such as 3 air intake panels for enhanced cooling efficiency and an easy top fill design that simplifies water addition. 34. The unit comes with ice packs to boost cooling performance, and the continuous water fill option with float valve and garden hose adapter adds convenience for extended use. The remote control functionality is a welcome addition that many competing units in this price range lack. During testing, the larger water capacity did translate to longer operating times between refills, typically running 6 to 8 hours, depending on ambient conditions and fan speed settings. The oscillation feature helped distribute cooled air more evenly across medium-sized spaces, though the effectiveness remained limited by the fundamental constraints of evaporative cooling technology. However, several issues emerged during extended use that prevent this unit from ranking higher. The build quality, while improved over the Hessaire, still feels somewhat cheap, particularly in the control mechanisms and caster wheels. The oscillation motor developed a noticeable clicking sound after several weeks of use, and the water level indicator proved unreliable, sometimes showing full when the tank was nearly empty. Number 5. Honeywell 525 CFM. The Honeywell 525 CFM evaporative cooler represents a significant step up in both build quality and performance. This unit is specifically designed for indoor and outdoor use, featuring weather-resistant construction that allows it to withstand outdoor elements. With its 7.9-gallon water tank and 525 CFM airflow, it's designed to cool areas up to 320 square feet effectively. What sets the Honeywell apart is its superior build quality and thoughtful engineering. The unit features honeycomb cooling media that provides optimum evaporative cooling performance, and the detachable water tank makes maintenance significantly easier than fixed tank designs. The LED electronic display and full-function remote control offer convenient operation, while the 4-speed settings, including a natural mode, provide more nuanced control over airflow. During my testing, the Honeywell consistently outperforms similarly sized competitors in actual cooling performance. The weather-resistant design proved its worth during outdoor testing, where the unit operated reliably through various conditions without showing signs of degradation. The low water alarm is particularly useful, preventing dry operation that could damage the cooling media. The top-loading ice compartment provides noticeable cooling enhancement, though ice consumption remains high during peak operation. The unit's 288-watt power consumption is reasonable for its output, and the sound level at 64 decibels on high speed, while noticeable, is acceptable for most applications. The oscillating louvers help distribute cooled air effectively, and the adjustable humidity control allows users to fine-tune moisture levels based on conditions and preferences. Number 4. Hessaire MC37M. The Hessaire MC37M represents a significant leap in cooling capacity, delivering 3,100 CFM of airflow designed to cool spaces up to 950 square feet. This larger unit addresses many of the limitations found in smaller evaporative coolers through its robust construction and enhanced features. The 10.3-gallon water tank provides extended operation, while the 3-sided high-density cooling media increases the evaporative surface area for improved performance. The MC37M's control system is more sophisticated than smaller units, featuring 4 rotary switches that control motor speed, pump operation, air swing delivery, and power. The automatic oscillation system helps distribute cooled air across wide spaces, while the cupped axial fan design provides strong airflow to thrust chilled air effectively into your space. The unit's ability to connect to a garden hose for continuous operation makes it practical for extended use in workshops, garages, or outdoor entertainment areas. During extensive testing, the MC37M demonstrated significantly better cooling performance than smaller units, particularly in larger spaces where its higher CFM rating could be fully utilized. The 3-sided cooling media configuration proved effective at maximizing water evaporation, resulting in notably cooler output air. The heavy-duty casters and robust construction handled frequent repositioning without issues, and the palm design grille added an attractive aesthetic element. The unit excels in commercial and semi-commercial applications where traditional air conditioning might be impractical or expensive. During testing in a large garage workshop, the MC37M provided meaningful temperature reduction even in challenging conditions. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER BPACT12 HWT. Moving into true air conditioning territory, the BLACK+DECKER BPACT12 HWT represents a fundamental shift from evaporative cooling to refrigerant-based air conditioning. This 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner provides genuine cooling power that doesn't depend on humidity levels, making it effective in any climate condition. The 3-in-1 functionality combines air conditioning, dehumidification, and fan operation in a single unit. The BLACK+DECKER unit features a comprehensive set of modern conveniences, including a full-function remote control, 24-hour timer, and sleep mode for overnight comfort. The auto water evaporation system eliminates the need for manual drainage in most conditions, while the slide-out washable filter ensures easy maintenance. The environmentally friendly R410A refrigerant and energy-efficient operation make it a responsible choice for regular use. During testing, the cooling performance was immediately apparent and dramatically superior to any evaporative cooler. The unit successfully cooled a 140 square foot room from 81.7 degrees Fahrenheit to 75.6 degrees Fahrenheit over 4 hours, while outside temperatures climbed from 89 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The cooling effect was consistent and didn't diminish with humidity levels, providing reliable comfort regardless of weather conditions. The installation process, while more complex than plug-and-play evaporative coolers, was straightforward with the included window kit. The exhaust hose and window adapter sealed effectively, and the unit operated quietly enough for bedroom use, particularly with the sleep mode activated. 11. The rolling casters and side carrying handles made repositioning manageable despite the 56.8-pound weight. Number 2. Coolzy-Pro. The Coolzy-Pro represents an innovative approach to portable air conditioning, offering both ventless personal cooling and traditional vented operation in a single compact unit. This unique dual-mode functionality allows users to choose between spot cooling for personal comfort or whole-room cooling with proper venting. At just 15.4 kilograms with 4 wheels and carry handles, it's significantly more portable than traditional portable air conditioners. The unit's ventless mode operates as a personal air conditioner, cooling people rather than rooms by providing a constant stream of cool refrigerated air from the front, while dispersing warm air from the rear. This approach is perfect for bedrooms, offices, workshops, or any space where you need direct cooling without complex installation. The 3-speed operation, temperature control, and remote control provide convenient operation, while the focus enhancer accessory helps direct airflow precisely where needed. During testing, the Coolzy-Pro's versatility became its greatest strength. In ventless mode, it provided excellent personal cooling while consuming only 340 watts of power, making it 75% more energy efficient than standard portable air conditioners. The 1,100-watt cooling capacity delivered noticeable temperature reduction when positioned for direct personal cooling, and the quiet operation made it suitable for bedroom use without disturbing sleep. The unit's compatibility with alternative power sources, including batteries and solar systems with suitable inverters, opens up applications impossible with traditional air conditioners. Testing with a portable power station confirmed the unit's ability to operate off-grid, making it valuable for camping, RV use, or emergency cooling situations. Number 1. EcoFlow WAVE 2. Topping our list is the EcoFlow WAVE 2, a revolutionary battery-powered air conditioner that redefines portable cooling. This innovative unit combines 5,100 BTUs of cooling power with 6,100 BTUs of heating capability, creating a year-round climate control solution that operates completely independently of electrical infrastructure. The swappable battery system and multiple charging options make it the ultimate off-grid cooling solution. The WAVE 2's advanced engineering delivers impressive performance in a compact package. The unit can reduce temperature by 18 degrees Fahrenheit in just 5 minutes under optimal conditions, while the advanced software algorithm provides multiple operating modes, including an ultra-quiet 44 dB sleep mode. The 8-hour runtime in Eco mode, combined with the ability to pair with additional EcoFlow batteries for extended operation, provides unmatched flexibility for extended off-grid use. During comprehensive testing, the WAVE 2 consistently delivered on its performance promises. The unit successfully maintained comfortable temperatures in spaces up to 20 cubic meters, with particularly impressive results in well-insulated environments. The heating function proved equally effective, providing rapid warm-up during cold conditions. The automatic condensation evaporation worked flawlessly in humidity levels below 70%, eliminating drainage concerns in most conditions. The build quality and engineering sophistication set the WAVE 2 apart from all competitors. The IPX4 water resistance rating ensures reliable operation in various conditions, while the 100-watt USB-C and 18-watt USB-A charging ports add valuable functionality. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.